This is one of my #1 recipe online at the moment. Hot water. A lot of people don't know. Here it is, my #1 recipe right now online. Lots of people request this one. All right. Rosemary. Cinnamon. Stars. Lime. Orange. If you don't know, right? We got ginger and lemon peel. Pineapple. Beautiful pineapple inside of it. Jen is in the building. What's going on? Good vibes, people. Here it is. My #1 recipe. That's not a normal recipe, guys. Right, like some more ginger, lemon peel. All right. Yeah. Here it is, my favorite, cloves. Pimento seed. Yeah, pimento seed, cloves. This is my #1 recipe. If you guys don't understand what's going on right here in the kitchen. Yeah. When I drink this, you'll never be the same anymore. Life game changing, guys. Powerful recipe, but do not mix this with your medication at home. It is important for you guys to know that you cannot mix these ingredients. They are very effective and powerful at home. Do not mix them with a strong medication. Let's take this to a boil. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful one. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. I did this video like almost over the last couple of weeks. You know what I mean? I've been just drinking up this tea because for some reason I fall in love with this tea. I have to marry it. It is amazing. The flavor, the texture, everything. I just fall in love with the tea, and I just make it every time I'm going to do it. I just run a record at it because it is something different. All right. Yeah, man. I fall in love with the tea. It is so beautiful to drink. Yeah. Beautiful cup of tea, guys. Yeah. So you guys can see. One more that it. See, like how the rain is about to fall again, and this is something you want to drink in the evening. In the morning. Yeah. Jen, what do you think about this one? Alright. Here it is. Beautiful one. All of these natural stuff inside of it. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so I've been drinking this tea over the last 7 to 8 days now, man, and I'm telling you, yeah, it's amazing, honestly. Every time when I drink it, it's just make me feel, I don't know, it just feel amazing, honestly. It's beautiful, simple, you know. Hope you guys can try this recipe. Alright, look at that. Natural. Especially when you boil it with these things. Oh my days. It's amazing. Alright. Turn off the cooker. Because, you know, the electric thing, you know. So I get worse and worse every year. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Simmer it. Alright, smell it, guys. Because I'm saying I can smell things. Smell it. Alright, one time I met them, you know, people are telling me that they smell it. Alright, you can't blame them because from them smell it, there's nothing you can do about that. Alright, good vibes. Look at that, beautiful people. This is fantastic and an amazing. Alright, look at that, with the pimento seed and the cloves inside of it, the pineapple peel, the beautiful rosemary. Oh my god, I love it. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. Teaspoon of honey. All right, yeah. orange, little star, yeah, cinnamon stick, no, yeah, piece of pineapple chunk, pimento seed, and some cloves. All right, yeah. Pour it off. Here it is. All right, here it is. Yeah, man, pimento seed. Then go and float. See that? Detox up the body. Guys, can't go wrong. Simple, but beautiful. Alright? Anyway, put this aside. Get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. The book is available on Amazon at the moment. Yes, go over to Amazon and get one. Here it is. Wow. That is so lovely.